Hey, this is your next text training segment, and it's super quick, but I wanted to point out and make sure you saw that Sherry Waggoner is actually my mama, and she is one of the assistants that helps me in our business, and she keeps track of your status. So your active status of when you've placed orders and how long your discount is active for. I've assigned her to keep track of that because we don't want any of y'all having an unpleasant surprise when you try to order and, oh my gosh, I'm inactive, or something like that. And so please pay attention. If you get an email that says something about your status, or you get a text from Sherry Waggoner or an email directly from her or something, she is super important and she is here for you. She's not like bossing you or being like, you need to do this. She's literally going, hey, be aware, here's where you're at, here's what's going on. And we just want to make sure that you always know what your status is and there's not a surprise or anything like that. So please, please, please read her emails, read her texts, engage with her. She is the sweetest, most wonderful pastor's wife. She has been a Mary Kay personal use consultant for over 15 years, loves the product, and she loves her discount. So she's fighting for you, and I just wanted to make sure you were aware of her and pay attention to her and just let her know how she can help because she's here for you.